Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and it is my pleasure to introduce Mr. André Gagné, which is the CEO of Robex. Hi, Mr. Gagné.
Hi, good morning.
So, pretty interesting project you have there in Mali, which is usually in Mali it's more oriented like agriculture or cotton, I guess.
Yes, the first main project is cotton over there, and the second one is gold. So. So.
Is that? But there's lots of gold. Is there any? I don't know much about Mali. Is there any big gold mine out there?
Yeah, maybe 8 or 10 different big mines over there. More than 100 millions of ounces. So a lot of big company over there.
Okay, and you do have a lot of projects out there. I think you have some sort of like 9 big claims.
Yeah, we got all the Robex companies, Joe, focus on Mali. So we got 9 permits over there. One with a joint venture with Resolute Mining, and another one with feasibility study just finished 2 months ago.
Okay.
And we got 1.5 million of ounces.
So this is the one you are expecting to exploit.
The Minenco permit and the Nampala deposit. So.
Okay.
Minenco is a 74 kilometer square, and the Nampala deposit is 1 kilometer square. So
okay,
it's just a little part of the permit. So.
Okay, so you have one. I think you have sold one. Very important.
We not sold. We made a joint venture.
A joint venture.
And at the end of the 2 years proposal, we keep 30% of the permit, and Resolute take 70% of the permit.
So Resolute is another gold company that is actually exploiting gold?
Yeah, it's an Australian gold company, a big gold company, and they already produce gold on the Syama mining project.
Okay, and they are up and ready to exploit the minerals in the joint venture you had with them.
Exactly. So at this moment they make some diamond drilling over there, and we're waiting for the results. So after that, we never know what's up.
So does that mean if they start exploiting this project that is included in this joint venture, you would like instantly having another incoming revenue?
But they have to make a feasibility study, but maybe in 1 or 2 years we can receive money. Depend always the discovery.
If they start exploiting
exactly
the mineral.
Depend on the result of the diamond drilling.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about this big change in the company? Because starting in 2008, let me get to your stock, V-RBX, and V-RBX. Sorry, I have big fingers. Okay. And since the end of the bear market, your stock is actually following a nice uptrend. Always kept going up, and I believe that corresponds to the time that you started.
I take the.
You've been nominated as CEO.
Yeah, I take the lead of the company in October 2008. So it's not a good timing, but we start at this moment, and at this time we got 1 million debt. The share price that's 2 cents. So we clean the mess, like we said, and we focusedly and carefully put the right person at the right place. And
but you were explaining me earlier that before in this company, they were a little bit too much focused on
too many geologists in the company.
Too many geologists, yeah.
So now we have no more geologists working on the payroll. We got one QP geologist without no share, with no warrant, no option. And
so no conflict of interest.
Exactly.
So they are hourly paid or monthly paid or whatsoever. They are paid, and no matter if there is gold or not.
Exactly. So for me, it's a
So they have to tell the truth.
Exactly. That for me, it's the right things to do. So.
If they still want to have a job, though, they have to find something.
Yeah, exactly. So we put all the thing in place, and we got a 43-101 made by Coffee Mining in 2007. At this moment, we got almost 1 million of ounces, and they have a couple of recommendations. So we follow the recommendation. We made a hole at each 25 meters, and we increased the resources until 1.5 million.
So you are concentrating on the best among the permit that you had.
Exactly.
And you're trying to focus on it, and you are actually planning to exploit this.
Yeah, we want to start build the mills next March. So we just signed a contract with VP Mine he started working for us at the end of February, and at the same time we want to start building the mine, and we hopefully want to go on production. And
so your company have approximately 200 million share right now.
Exactly.
If you take in account all of the ordinary share and all of the options and everything,
almost to 200 million.
And you do have, with all the exercise of the warrants, something around a couple of $1 million in cash.
Around 4.8 million in cash. So.
And 4.8 million is good operating money for a small company like that.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Perfect just for the exploration.
Exploration cost, but not enough to build a mine.
No, for sure.
So, are you expecting to dilute the company more?
No,
or you have other
not
source
really.
of money?
We want to finance the project with all 80% in debt financing with the Bank of Africa and the Banque de Développement du Mali. So we just signed last Friday an agreement with one of the bank over there. So we almost finished to build all the 80% of the money we need to go in production.
So I think you got involved quite a bit out there with the ministers in the country and trying to make things change a little bit, you know, because before they're just like too many people.
The first decision we made at this moment is to put the money in the ground and not everywhere around, because the
not
goal
in
is
responsibles everywhere.
No,
Responsibles
exactly.
for this, responsibles for that, but never anything happens. So you want to put the money there.
The goal is on the ground, in the ground. So that's the place we have to focus to find the goal. So that's what we do.
So you got some response there from the government that believe that if sooner or later they help company like you getting into production, that will transform in real jobs and not conflict of interest jobs.
Now we got 26 employees over there, so we made a good decision at this moment.
Oh yeah, it's quite a bit for a small company like that. 26
but we got
employees.
9 permits. We got our own drill machine, so it's really cheap it's $30 a meters to drill. So. When you got your own drilling machine, you need the mechanician, the driller. You need a lot of stuff.
Just curious. I'm just curious. How much money someone earns there? Someone that works, a real worker like the guy that works on the drill, compared to here, is it like, I don't know, a few cents per hour, a few dollars per hour? How much are they paid?
Between $200 to $2,000 per month. Depend what is it? Is it a driver, a driller, a mechanician, or depend?
Are they mostly native from there?
Yeah. They're all Malian except one over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So those that I presume have some expertise, costs more money.
But the DJ costs more, the mechanician costs more, the driller costs more. After that, it's depend what you exactly your job. But the driver costs less, and
yeah. It's easier to find a driver.
Find a driver than find a driller.
Yeah. Are the geologists working on this project? Someone from the
we got
place
6 Malian geologists, and we got one QP, qualified prior person from Canada who managed the 6 geologists over there.
So when do you expect to have some more result?
We got all the result we need at this moment to go
for drilling,
to go in production.
Okay.
So now we're drilling on the other permits we got. So we're waiting news from result from couple of weeks from now.
Okay.
We didn't know exactly.
Okay.
And we want to go in production in the first quarter of 2013.
You told me that there was a possibility that the Malian bank would lend money for the project and only dilute by issuing new shares.
It's not a possibility. It's the reality now.
It's the reality.
Yeah. We got 2 different banks, and we talk with the 2 different banks at this moment.
Okay, so is that a government decision to get their bank involved?
Yes, with this year is the last year of the 2 mandate of the president of the Republic of Mali, and one of the thing he wants the money to stay in the country. So he said, stop bringing the money from Canada or from Australia, and he talked with the bank, and he said to the bank, go get.
They want to own something.
Exactly.
Okay, so they have better chance. I think Mali was one of the fastest growing country in the world.
Last year, I think 3rd and 4th country growing in the world.
So it's small, but it's easier. It's easier to double 5 cents than doubling $5.
Exactly, but they double, right?
But doubling is doubling.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly. So you are expecting to go in production within a year.
First quarter of 2012.
And you told me that it was quite a low grade. I think it's 0.78. 0.87. 0.8.
But we got 90% of recuperation and just 0.55 strip ratio. So all together, it's a...
And it's not solid rock. It's gold
saprolite
mixed with dirt and earth and things like that. So it's easier to do.
No crusher. It's really easy to put out of the ground.
And you have a sort of a new process also that you go with
but
like
it's the oldest process in the world.
Yeah?
So the gravimetric process.
Okay. Oh, very good. So anyway, Mr. Gagné, we wish you very good luck with this project, and we are very pleased so that you made the best effort you could, because we know you're not very comfortable in English, but I think our viewer would have
I hope
understood. So. Yes, I'm sure they did.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Gagné, thank you very much. We'll be following your project.
Thank you.